PNP lawag gunam-gunam dadagiti maipawil apaputok mga idol at yung mga T-report.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
National Police kang runana iti syudad tilawag iti panayadaulo ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Andrew Rabang dagiti maipawil apaputok iti umayatawen 2026 imbatadda at dagitoy ket delikado ken posible apakarisguan tibiyag dagitoy ket Watusi, Piccolo, Pop-Pop, 5-Star, Plapla, Lolo Thunder, Giant Bawang, Giant Whistle Bomb, Special Atomic Bomb, Atomic Triangles, Large Size Judas Belt, Goodbye Dalima, Hello Colombia, Goodbye Napoles, Super Yolanda, Mother Rockets, King Kong, Quiton, Super Lolo, Goodbye Bading, Goodbye Philippines, Goodbye Diskaya, Goodbye Chismosa, Bin Laden, Coke in Can, Pillbox, Kabasi, Tuna, Dart Bomb, GPH Nuclear ken Boga, impalagip ti PNP, ano siya sinuman ti agikot, aglako ken gumatang kadagitoy a klase a paputok, ket matiliw, gapoy ti panagsalungasing ti Executive Order Number 28 ken Republic Act 7183, when act to regulate and control the manufacture and sale, distribution, and use of firecrackers and other pyrotechnic devices. Para iti IFM News, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, Aremen.